All right, guys, so today I am hiking the Narrows. So I'm going to be sharing my journey with you. This is one of the reasons why I started a business online, so I can earn extra money to do the things that I love. And I absolutely love traveling. So I'm going to share a little bit about what I'm doing. And I am hiking the Narrows today, so we'll see how that goes. The weather is absolutely stunning. This place is absolutely stunning. And I'm going to share it with you guys. So
Hey there. Honey. Hello there. Hi. Hi. Come on. Come on, it's okay. Hey. Hey, come here. Hey, come here.
maybe I should add a little disclaimer in here. Don't do what we do. But we have one life, and so we like to adventure, do all the stuff and all the craziness that goes with it. So follow along, guys. Save this video. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you're following me. So this is getting really exciting. So we walk the river walk that leads us to the Narrows, and it's about a 2-mile round trip. So we're almost a mile in, and then we're gonna hike the Narrows. It's gonna be cold. Even though it's really hot out, the water is gonna be quite chilly. I'm ready. So this is it. We are entering the Narrows. Lots of people, lots of traffic. We'll check out to see if the water is going to be cold. This is absolutely stunning. I am in the Narrows in Utah. Absolutely gorgeous. So far, so good. So I'm not sure how far we are into the Narrows, but it's absolutely stunning. The water kind of probably got up to my chest, and it's back down to my ankles. So this is really cool, and I appreciate you guys being here on this journey. And just stay tuned, because I now have a 10-minute video for TikTok. So I'm just going to keep recording and keep showing you what I love to do, my life, my journey, and why I need more time freedom. Time freedom, and with time freedom, financial freedom is part of that. So another reason why I'm building a business online, and I'm absolutely loving the journey. And this trip alone was paid because I said yes to an opportunity. Just wow. Are you guys ready to see this? I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna spin my phone around and let you guys take a look. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to say we probably have hiked probably about a mile into the Narrows. We're going to play it cautious just because there is a risk of flash floods. And even though it's beautiful, they do say you have to be careful. And we actually said yes anyway. So we are going to hike just a little bit further through the water and turn around and see what happens then. Hopefully I'm going to share with you guys a picture of where the water is really, really deep, but this has been an absolute amazing experience, and you guys should experience all this stuff. This is fun, exciting. Travel is everything to me, and I'm just sharing that with you guys. I'm going to show you how high up this is.